Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to our maths class, children. Now, in the last class, we have taken examples, right? 20, 21, 22, and 23 we have taken, right? Now, in today's class, we'll continue that. We'll be taking example 24, okay? Exercise chapter 2, exercise 2.5, page number 54, children, okay now? Example 24. I have copied. They have given factorize. Factorize means we have to use identities, children. So we have to write given. This is a given part, children. Okay. Now here first cube and last cube is it. Okay. So in our formulas, in our identities, where do we have x cube and y cube together, children? It is in identity 6 and 7. Okay, now all the signs are plus, so we have to take identity 6. But you might be thinking that here the formula is different. Yes, children, x cube plus y cube plus 3xy, and we have brackets. Here there is no bracket. So for sixth identity we can write, we have two identities, children. For sixth one we have two formulas. X plus y whole cube is equals to, we can write x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube, or else we can write x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Okay now, children, we have two formulas, so you have to learn this two as well, or else you can learn one. Here how do we got this one, children? X cube y cube already we have written. Here we must multiply 3 into 3xy into x. It will be 3x square y. 3x square y. 3xy into y will be 3xy square. That is this one. Okay. If you remember this formula, you can convert into this one. Okay now. Now, so it is identity 6, we already know. Now first one and last one are in cubes. So here only x cube we have only x cube, children. Yes. Now we have to convert this 8 as well in cubes. Okay. So 8, how can we write? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s is 8. So we can write 2x whole cube. Why did I convert it into 3 times? Because here cube is there. Because of that reason we have to take 3 cubes. Okay. That is 2 cube is nothing but 8. Then I am going to write this as it is, plus 36x square y plus 54 xy square plus, now 27 y cube, how can we write? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s is 27. Okay, so we can write 3y whole cube. Okay, then we have to copy our identity. Already I have copied the identity, children. Now see here, what is x here? X is nothing but 2x. Okay, x is nothing but 2x. See, x cube. So here we have 2x whole cube. So 2x, x is what? 2x. What is y? Y is nothing but 3y. Convert into this form. X plus y whole cube. X is what? 2x plus y is what? 3y whole cube. That's it. See, first one is x cube, last one is y cube. So first one will be x and this one will be y. Okay, so we have to convert it. Already they have given in this form. This question is in this form. We have to convert into this one. X plus y whole cube. So x is what? 2x plus 3y whole cube. That's it. Okay, is it easy? Now moving to our next example. Example 25. Example 25. Here we have, they have given find the product. Okay, they have given 2a plus b plus c into 4a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus bc minus 2ca. So here we have 3 terms. Okay, here we have 6 terms. Okay, this is complete is one term, we'll say. Yes. Now Here 3 terms, here 6 terms. So in our formula we have to check where do we have 3 terms and 6 terms in brackets. So here we have 3 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 6 terms. So it is identity 8. Are you understanding, children? It is identity 8. So I have copied identity 8 here. Okay. Now what is x? What is x, children? First, shall I write this neatly? 2a plus b plus c into 4a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus bc minus 2ca. Now shall we check in the formula? Here x plus y plus z. So x plus y plus z. Okay, so here 2 pluses are there. Here also 2 pluses. Here plus plus, first plus, second plus. Then we have minus how many? 3. 1, 2, 3. So is it correct? Yes, it is correct. Now what is our x? X is nothing but 2a. X is nothing but 2a. What is b? Sorry. What is y? Y is nothing but b. What is z? Z is nothing but c. They have given in this form. See here. This is the identity. What is the solution of that? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So same thing I have written here. Already they have given in this form. We have to convert into this form. Okay. So first is what? X cube is equals to x cube. X is what? 2a whole cube plus y cube. Y is nothing but b. B cube. Z cube is nothing but c cube minus 3 as it is. What is x? This all terms, these all things are in multiplication, children. Okay, so x is what? 2a. What is y? Y is nothing but b. Z is what? c. Now 2a whole cube. 2a whole cube. 2a into 2a into 2a. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. A into a is what? A cube. Okay, when you multiply all the variables, it will be in cubes. Okay, and when we multiply the numbers, we'll get 8. 8a cube plus b cube plus c cube as it is minus 3 2s are 6. A, B, C is nothing but A, B, C itself. That's it. Okay. Now moving to our next example, that is example 26. Now see here, in the question they have given factorize this question. A cube minus 8b cube minus 64c cube minus 24abc. Now see here, here we have 3 cubes, okay, and we don't have any powers. So where do we have, in which identity we have cubes? Here we have cubes, here we have cubes, and in this identity we have cubes, right? In this 8th and 9th identities. So here, but we have only two cubes. We want how many cubes? 3 cubes. We need 3 cubes. So it is nothing but identity 8 itself, children, because see here we have cube, 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 then again we have one number. But in your 9th identity, only we have 3 cubes. Then we don't have any number. So our formula is 8th identity, that is cube, 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 and we have one more term as well. Okay. Now see here, only one difference is there, children. Here we have x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. But here a cube minus minus, we have 2 times minus, only we need 1 time minus. So here we need plus and here we need plus. So what we must do, a cube is nothing but a cube as it is. Here we can write plus, then in bracket minus 2, because 8 is nothing but 2. Yes or no? 8 is nothing but 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are is 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are is 8. 8b whole cube. Now see here, minus 2b into minus 2b into minus 2b. When we multiply, what we will get? Minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. b into b is what? B cube. Did we get the answer? Minus 8b cube? Yes. Now, first 64 also we have to do the same thing. First 64. 4 into 4 into 4 is nothing but 64. Here C is there. We'll write C, C, C. Now here we have minus, but we want plus, right? So what we'll do? Minus 4C into minus 4C into minus 4C. I'll do neatly. Minus 4C into minus 4C into minus 4C. Minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. C into C into C is what? C cube. So it is minus 64 C cube. Correct na children? So here I will be writing plus, in bracket what I must write? Minus 4C whole cube. Minus this as it is I will be copying 24 A, B, C. Now they have given in this form. See here, in identity 8 we have x plus y plus z first, then we have cube numbers. They have now, in the previous question they have given into this form, we have converted into this. Now in this example they have given in this form, that is RHS they have given, we have to convert into LHS. Okay now, so I have written all the question, I have copied the formula here in box. Okay, now what is x? X is nothing but a. What is y? Y is nothing but minus 2b. Z is what? Minus 4c. Now first we have to open the bracket. X plus y plus z. So I'll write x is what? A minus 2b minus 4c. Here plus plus is there, but here we have minus, so that's why I have written minus. Then again open bracket, x square means a square plus y square is nothing but minus 2b whole square plus z square is nothing but minus 4c whole square. Then again minus, I'll be continuing down. X is what? A. Y is what? Minus 2b. I'll be underlining this because these both are in multiplication. Then minus y is what? Minus 2b into z is what? Minus 4c. Again I'll be multiplying this. Both are in multiplication. Then minus x is what? A into z is what? Minus 4c. Okay. Now a minus 2b minus 4c I'll be copying as it is. Now a square is nothing but a square plus minus 2b whole square is nothing but minus into minus is plus. 2 2 is 4. B into b is what? B square 4. B square plus minus 4c whole square is nothing but 16c square minus into minus plus a 2b is nothing but 2ab. Then minus into minus plus, plus into minus is minus. 2 4 is 8. B, C. First we must multiply the signs, then the numbers, then the variables. Then minus into minus is plus. A 4 C is nothing but 4 A C. That's it. I hope you all have understood today's topic, children. Thank you, children. Have a good day.